Today we're going to make bread using some ice cream. Apparently all you need to make this bread is 2 ingredients, which is self-rising flour and ice cream. The ice cream we've got today is chocolate chip cookie dough, and here we have some double strawberry ice cream. If you don't have self-rising flour at your house, it's really easy to make if you have regular flour. Per 1 cup of flour that you use, you just have to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So hopefully it turns out. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Let's take our chocolate chip cookie dough Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Left it on the counter for a few minutes so it gets a little bit melted. And let's dump this into our mixing bowl. We need to just taste it. Quality control. That's good. Here's our double strawberry ice cream. Try to get about 2 cups worth of this. That's a little bit more. That's okay. One more QA test of the strawberry ice cream. Oh yeah. Next, all we need to do is add 1.5 cups of self-rising flour to each mixing bowl, because I'm gonna make 2 loaves. And then we're just going to mix it all together. That's very cool. It's actually looking like a dough, and we just used ice cream and flour. Okay, well that didn't take very long. I've been mixing this for just a few minutes, and it looks like strawberry dough. Okay, let's butter up our pans. Here I have a standard loaf pan. I've only got 1 of these, so I'm going to make 1 in here and another ice cream bread in this round one that I have. Let's butter these up. You can use oil too, and if you have that spray greaser, that'd be even more convenient. However, I don't have one of those, so I'm just gonna take a stick of butter, grease these pans up. Make sure there are no chunks of butter left in your pan. Okay, greased with butter. Butter ice cream. There's such thing as butter ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna put the strawberry batter into this pan here. Come on, really sticky. I hope the bread rises and looks delicious. We'll see what happens. Spread it out a bit. Now let's add our cookie dough into the round pan. I have a feeling that this round one's gonna look more appetizing. We shall find out. Great, now all we need to do is throw these into our preheated oven that was set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and leave them in there for about 40 minutes and it should be all done. All done. Let's get these out of the pan, see what they look like. Whee! Hey, let's put this one over. There we have it. Bread made with ice cream. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty cool. Should I enjoy this with ice cream? That sounds delicious too. Eat it with ice cream. I'm gonna get chunky monkey here. All right, let's cut into this. Let's see what it looks like in the inside and let's taste it. So let's start with our square strawberry ice cream one. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, that's a pretty color. Okay, let's give it a taste. It reminds me of like the texture of a scone almost. Now let's try a slice of our cookie dough ice cream bread. Oh yeah, look how fluffy that looks. That looks great. Let's give it a taste. This one is almost like a muffin. I give this recipe an 8.5 out of 10. Pretty good. I would definitely make this again. If you enjoyed this video and you want to find other great recipes, try some of these. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I think I got ice cream on my face. How do you get ice cream on your face?